There we go. Okay. For whatever reason, the camera didn't want to connect. There we go. It looks like we're functional now. For whatever reason, the camera didn't want to connect. So the way that I'm going to do these is we got some unboxing. So we got, what do we got here? One, two, three, four, five packages. We got five packages, and so first I think what we'll do is we'll get a couple watches and then a couple I don't remember what I ordered because I ordered. Why is the I have it's been a couple weeks since I did a let's see how we got this. Is that better? I'm trying to kind of get my system set up here. Good. Got a little boom mic. There we go. So what do we got here? Make sure that I don't. Make sure I don't. Maybe that's a little too close. Get it just right. I'm trying to get my setup just right. Okay. So it's called a sheep's foot, and I almost prefer these types of pocket knives over other styles. Okay, what do we got here? So we have another dial face, and I believe this one to be the custom dial face that I ordered. I wanted to kind of do a they got it wrapped in the little thing there. I don't want to touch it. I just want to see what it looks like. What the Oh. Oh, that actually caught a little glimpse of that. Oh. That actually looks pretty legit. Can you see this? Okay. I might have to do another attempt. My last watch was kind of a little bit of a disaster. Come on, focus. Okay, so I like the style of watches that have the 3, 6, and 9. So I was exploring with names, and font styles and stuff, and just kind of playing around with different things. So that's pretty legit. I like ye. I like ye. Okay, I like that. I like that a lot. So we'll come back to this. So that's interesting. I think tomorrow I might have to put together. So is this trash? Yeah, you always got to check because the watch components are so tiny that let's see what we got here. Look how nice that sheep's foot. What is this? Okay, so we have two packages here. Give me a second. I need to sterilize. Okay, so we got it's what they always have the Chinese factory stuff. They always have the Chinese factory stuff. You gotta sterilize, and then okay, this one says fragile on it. Interesting. Okay, so this is a 2-in-1. So really, I had what was I 5, 6, 7 packet or no, 6 packages. So I can feel this one. Let's see what we got here. I don't even remember what I ordered. It was so long ago. Okay, that was just one item. Jeez. I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that is. Man, I only ever watch stuff, even though it looks Oh, it's the sticky paste. Okay. I was like, how much did I pay for that? Like $2? Interesting. Okay. It's good to know I have some. That's way harder than I. Okay, I guess it's more pliable. That almost looked like, that's that stuff you dab on, to put parts in or whatever. It's like Play-Doh. Okay. Let's see what this is. I want to make sure I don't. Okay, and this is the gasket stuff. So let's take this out of there. Just kind of de-trash it, I guess, right? get rid of all the trash. And the idea behind this one, well, is that grease? Can't tell. Yeah, oh yeah. It's got grease. Okay, so it's already greased. You put your sealant, your seals in there, and you do the little. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's detrash everything because I don't need to have it. I don't need to store it in the all the weird packaging. So that's good. I always got to make sure, with these little packages that they. Okay, that's weird. There we go. That there's not extra. Okay. So now for the good stuff. I'm pleasantly surprised though with the. Oh, this one's been properly punted. There we go. So I figured out with these, they typically have you can look at these boxes and you can kind of tell that they got a seam along one side. Is it up here? So instead of okay, I think it's right here. Instead of maybe not. You gotta find out where the seam is on these. Kind of looking for I don't see it. I'm gonna cut a patch in it and see if I can figure out what. Am I zoomed in too much? Maybe. Where are you? Oh, is that it? It's right here. It's right here. It's like long. It's like diagonal. Okay. They have it's almost like a crypt, like a coffin style of styrofoam. And see, look at that. If you know how to open these up, oh, I know which one this is. This is the little backstory on this. I wanted to know. I've never had a GMT, and I wanted to see. Oh, this is not it. This is not it. This is something else. Okay. This is I think this is like a $60 watch, and it is. I kind of wanted to just experiment more with like the brass finish,